Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is September 1st, 2025. I am going to harvest Agathi Kirai. It is also called hummingbird tree leaves. Now I am pinching off Agathi Kirai leaves one by one from the plants to harvest leaves. First, I will let you know about the Agathi Kirai. Agathikere is a nutritious leafy green tree and it is used in the South Indian cuisine and traditional medicine. It has a slight bitter taste and its health benefits are like immunity boosting and bone health support. Next I am going to talk about how I grew Agathikere plants from seeds. In April 25th, I sowed seeds directly in the raised bed outdoor. To sow seeds outdoor, first I put compost 2 to 3 inches thick in the raised bed on one side. Second, I put 1 inch deep line and sprinkled Agathi Kire seeds on the line. Third, I sprinkled compost to cover the seeds and fill the line. Fourth, I poured water immediately. After sowing seeds, I poured water daily to germinate seeds quickly. After 15 to 20 days later from seed sowed date, all seeds were germinated. In June 15th, I replanted the Agathikire seedlings in various raised beds. Before replanting Agathikire seedlings, first I dig a hole and filled with compost and sprinkled organic plant meal fertilizer on top of the compost. Second, I replanted the Agathikire plant on the compost spot and poured water immediately. In every 3 days, I poured water to the plants to keep the soil moist. In July 17th, I added organic plant meal fertilizer and compost 2 to 3 inches thick around the Hagathi Kirei plants. Now I am going to give you some tips to grow Agathi Kirei from seeds. Tip number 1. Soak the agathikere seeds in water overnight to speed up germination before sowing seeds. Tip number 2. Agathikere plants grow well in warm weather, so we need to sow seeds in the outdoor in late spring or early summer when soil temperature is above 60 degrees Fahrenheit consistently. Also, the soil should be well drained before sowing seeds in the outdoor. Tip number 3. Pour water regularly to keep the soil moist. Tip number 4. Use nitrogen rich fertilizer to grow leaves and feed monthly once. Tip number 5. Agathi Kirai is a fast growing leafy green tree, so we need to prune the plant to grow bushier. Tip number 6. Pinch off leaves regularly to encourage bushier growth. Just I completed Agathi Kirai leaves harvest now. Overall, I'm very happy about the Agathi Kirai leaves harvest this year. Next, I am going to pack the harvested Agathi Kirai leaves in a plastic bag and keep it in the fridge so that I can cook them later tomorrow to consume quickly. If you liked this video and wanted to see more gardening videos from Jaya Garden channel, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share this video to your friends and families. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.